In this video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at problems with logging on to the SR-S range of cash registers. So on this machine we have the Clerk function set up, so if I try and process a sale it's forcing me to log in, but when I clear the error message and try and log in, the Clerk button's not working because I've accidentally misprogrammed it in the program mode. Of course, if you misprogram a normal button in the program mode, you can simply turn the key round to PGM and resolve the issue. But when you've misprogrammed the Clerk button, you can't do that because the till needs you to still sign on, and you can't sign on because the Clerk button doesn't exist effectively. So there is a way around this. You can basically do what's called an initial clear on the machine, which will clear the lockup and enable to use the machine in like an emergency mode, so you can then fix the button and get the till back working. So to do this, you turn the key to off, you then press and hold down the feed button and turn the key round to the PGM mode, and then release the feed key. The machine will display init for initialization, and all you need to do is press subtotal. The machine will now process the flag or initial clear, and then when it's finished you'll be live in the program mode. Once you're in the program mode, you now need to fix the Clerk button. To do this, arrow down to system setting, cash amount 10 to go into it, and then free subtotal 0 Clerk hash subtotal. We now turn the key back round to reg. We've now got one cashier signed in, so we could process a sale for them, and we can also log in as all the other operators. For more information on using the SR-S4000 and other Casio cash registers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.